In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checkboxes in a group in Docusign, ensuring your document editing and signing process becomes more efficient and organized. To begin, open up your web browser and navigate to the Docusign dashboard. If you're a frequent user, you're probably already familiar with this interface. For newcomers, don't worry, this guide will take you through each step clearly. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the Templates tab. Clicking on it will take you to a dedicated area where you manage all your reusable templates. This feature is essential for businesses and individuals who frequently send the same standard documents and want them prepared in advance for easy access. After selecting templates, proceed to click on My Templates. This section essentially houses all the templates you've either created or have access to. If you don't see any templates listed, you might need to create one or check if you're looking in the right profile if you use multiple accounts. Next, you'll want to click on Use. This button allows you to utilize one of your pre-existing templates, minimizing repetitive work and keeping your document management streamlined. Now, you need to upload a file. You can either click the Upload option or simply drag the file you intend to use onto the window. DocuSign's system automatically begins processing the file, preparing it for further action. At this stage, you will be prompted to type in the recipient's details, starting with a name. This is straightforward. Just enter the name of the person you're intending to send the document to. Following this, you'll need to input the email address of the recipient. Be sure to double-check this information to avoid sending to the wrong recipient. Next, type in a subject line. This subject should briefly convey the purpose or content of the document for easy recognition by the recipient. Along with the subject, you'll want to include a message. This message serves as an introductory note or set of instructions related to the document. Once all these details are filled out, the next natural step is to click on the Next button. This action transitions you into the editing phase where you can add or modify fields as necessary. On this subsequent screen, you'll want to focus on the Standard Fields option, which provides a variety of tools for annotating your document. Select the Checkbox tool. This feature is significant as it allows you to incorporate interactive elements necessary for the recipient's feedback or decision-making. With the checkbox selected, you can drag and position it to the desired area on your file. Accurate placement helps ensure clarity and proper response. Finally, after ensuring everything has been correctly set up, click Send. This action initiates the email dispatch, delivering your interactive document to the intended recipient efficiently. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding checkboxes in a group within DocuSign, enhancing the customization and functionality of your digital documents.